Hi Glowies! Today, I'm sharing this sweet, slightly melancholic, tipsy red wine eye makeup look. First, use an apricot brown shade as a base and blend it over the upper and lower eyelids. Draw a red lower eyeliner. Then take a maple red shade and blend it along the lower lash line to soften the liner. Deepen the front 2/3 of the upper eyelid with a brown shade, then use a deeper brown to intensify the outer corner. Lightly sweep the leftover powder over the front half of the eyelid, blend halfway along the lower eyelid, then draw a slightly lifted eyeliner. When I do this kind of lifted eyeliner, I usually apply double eyelid tape to adjust the eye shape. If the eyeliner looks too thin, slightly thicken it. Take a brown shade and deepen the outer corner along the eyeliner to a dimension. Apply a plum blush under the eyes to enhance that soft, moody vibe. Build it up gradually along the edge of the lower eyeshadow, then use the leftover powder to lightly blend toward the nose bridge. Next, use a champagne gold shimmer to highlight and create the aegyo under eye puff. Finally, apply a few clusters of textured, wispy false lashes. And there you have it, tipsy red wine eye makeup look.